Sport events have lots of information that reaches participants through many different channels: website, email, and paper documents on info boards. Sportity combines all the information into one app in a simple and structured way, so that participants can find everything easily, even if they are temporarily offline. Any new information from the organizer, like start lists, results, or any other urgent notice, will immediately notify everyone with push notification, no matter where they are. This keeps participants always updated with current information. Suppose there is a rain delay and athletes are spread around town. Push notifications from organizer lets them know when the games will continue, so that they know when to be on time for their game. Sportity app is easy to use and to distribute, works in any language, uses very little mobile data, can have many information channels, and works offline. Get Sportity app for your event from www.sportity.com.